Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 3 from exercise number 8.4. So look at this problem. So everything in terms of sine and cos. First I am going to make everything in terms of sine and cos, that is given as a hint in your book. Now tan theta can be written as, we all know that tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cot theta can be written as the reciprocal of sine. So this will be cos theta by sine theta, we can write, plus here cot theta can be written as cos theta by sine theta divided by 1 minus tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta, we can write. So we have taken the LHS, we are going to prove the right hand side as my answer. So here first the numerator you keep as it is, sine theta by cos theta divided by denominator I am going to take the LCM. So 1 by 1 you just write it. So to take the LCM, cross multiplication, sine theta into 1, sine theta it will be minus 1 into cos theta divided by 1 into sine theta I should write. Plus same way here also, numerator you keep as it is, cos theta by sine theta divided by, here by 1, do the cross multiplication. So cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta it will be. Now the denominator I am going to take it to the numerator, it will become reciprocal. So numerator first you keep as it is, sine theta by cos theta. Denominator term we are going to take it to the numerator, it will become reciprocal. So sine theta will go up divided by sine theta minus cos theta will come down like this. Plus the same way here also, numerator we are keeping as it is, that is cos theta by sine theta. Denominator I am going to the reciprocal. So cos theta by cos theta minus sine theta I am taking. Now look at the denominator, in between plus sign is there, anyway we have to take the LCM. But here we have sine minus cos, here we have cos minus sine. Whenever we are getting the same way, only the changes we needed, means suppose a minus b, I am going to change it as b minus a, means we have to take 1 minus sign outside. Because 1 minus 2 means minus 1, 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So whenever we are changing the place during the subtraction, it will get one minus symbol outside. So here this one I am not going to do, only the multiplication of sine. Sine theta into sine theta, we can write it as sine square theta divided by here cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So here I am having sin theta minus cos theta. So here also I am going to write it as sin theta minus cos theta. So I am going to change the places of these two numbers. So the minus sign will come out from here. This plus will become minus now. Now cos into cos will become cos square theta by sin theta into, so this one we can change the place now because we have taken the minus sign outside. Sin theta minus cos theta we have to take. Now we are going to take the LCM. Now the LCM will be, these two are common, sin theta minus cos theta, that will come as the LCM value. So here first we have a cos theta and we have sin theta minus cos theta, and here we have one sin theta, that also will come as a LCM value. So sin theta minus cos theta, for these two I am taking 1. Here one cos theta is available, that you should take. Here one sin theta is available, that also you should take it in LCM. Now all these three terms are coming in LCM. Now look at the first term. Here cos theta is available, this term is available, which is missing, sin theta is missing. So I have to multiply by sin theta with the numerator and denominator. Denominator we have written already. So here sin square theta into sin theta will be giving you sin cube theta, minus here sin theta and sin minus cos is available, which is missing now, cos theta is missing. So we have to multiply with cos theta with the numerator and denominator, that will be cos cube theta. Now look at the numerator, that is look like a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula. So this is your a cube minus b cube formula. So in this place of sin a cube we have the sin cube theta, and in the place of b cube we have cos cube theta. So here we are going to apply, wherever we are getting a I am going to take it as sin theta. So wherever we are getting b, that will be the cos theta, and here sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta we can write. This is a squared plus b squared plus ab. Now the numerator will be sin theta minus cos theta. Sin squared plus cos squared we can write it as 1 plus sin theta cos theta. So that is the expansion for a cube minus b cube. So denominator we are writing as it is. Denominator we have the LCM value, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta we are having. So these two terms are same, sin minus cos will get cancelled. So the remaining 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta we are having. So this term is common for both. This is common for one as well as for this one. We are going to split and write. So 1 by cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta we can write. So sin and sin, cos and cos will get cancelled. This is 1 by cos and 1 by sin. 1 by cos theta will be written as secant theta, that is a reciprocal. 1 by sin theta will be written as cosecant theta. So that is also reciprocal of 1 by sin theta plus 1. So this is your right hand side. Right hand side value in your book they have given as 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta. So we reached our secant theta into cosecant theta actually. So this is your RHS value. So we have taken the LHS, we have come out with the RHS value. So that is your correct proof for the given question. Thank you for watching students. If you like our video, share our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.